Building trust with a cat takes time, patience, and care. Cats are naturally cautious, especially around new people or environments. To make a cat feel safe, it's important to understand their needs and respect their boundaries. Here are some simple steps to help build trust with a cat. Cats feel safe when they have their own space. Let the cat come to you instead of forcing interaction. Avoid chasing or grabbing them. Provide a quiet spot where they can relax, like a soft bed or a cozy corner. When they see that you respect their space, they will start to feel safer around you. Fast movements can scare cats. Always move slowly and stay calm when you are near them. Avoid sudden noises or actions. When you approach the cat, keep your movements relaxed and let them see you coming. This shows that you are not a threat and makes them feel more comfortable. The tone of your voice matters. Speak softly and calmly when you talk to the cat. Avoid loud or sharp sounds that can scare them. Using a gentle voice helps the cat feel at ease. Cats communicate through their body language. Pay attention to their ears, tail, and posture. If the cat's ears are back, tail is twitching, or they are hissing, it means they are not comfortable. Give them space when they show these signs. If they rub against you, purr, or have relaxed eyes, it means they feel safe. Cats love treats, and food is a great way to build trust. Inaba Churu cat treats are creamy, lickable snacks made with real meat or fish. They are low in calories and contain no artificial preservatives or colors. These treats are perfect for bonding with cats or hiding medications. Playing is a fun way to bond with a cat. Use toys like feather wands or balls to encourage interaction. Miohui interactive cat toys include a retractable wand and colorful feather toy refills, designed to keep indoor cats active and entertained. The wand is lightweight, flexible, and easy to use, making playtime fun for both cats and owners. The feathers mimic prey, encouraging cats to chase, pounce, and exercise. By following these steps, you can help a cat feel safe and build a strong bond based on trust.